Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Hola Homes. And if you're new to this channel, you can please subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. Today we are in Navi Mumbai where we've created this beautiful 3 BHK home for our client, this lovely NRI couple.
This is Gautam. Here is my wife Deerja. We are blessed with 2 kids and we both work in an IT organization. Yeah, we currently reside in Sweden. I'm born and brought up pretty much in and around Navi Mumbai. Owning a 3-bedroom apartment is one of my dreams, which I always had since a childhood. Deerja, what do you like about the apartment?
As you mentioned, Gautam, we love our apartment a lot, and our initial thought was to have a bigger space in a small apartment which we can accommodate. And I think the thought was well executed by Hula Homes.
Since the couple lives in Sweden, this is generally supposed to be a vacation home for them. And keeping that in mind, we've created a beautiful and luxurious neoclassical and contemporary home for them. This home was designed keeping in mind an emotional connect and NRI themes when returning back home to India. As you can see, we're at the entrance of the home now, and on to my right there is this beautiful handmade design painting that has been made by our artists. Moving on, we have this functional shoe rack and a place to sit as well to wear your shoes. As you can see, we use this white tile here at the entrance of the door and these flat safety service doors that have been combined to enhance the overall look. Now we'll go into the home, so come with me. As we enter the home, because we have combined the flat service door, there is an extra added foyer space and a double door inside. Onto my right, there is this 3D art wall painting with beautiful birds and this leaf that is handmade by our artist. See, we have this beautiful bookmat white tiles that has been used near the TV wall with extended wooden cubes so that when you sit on the sofa you do not directly see the bedroom and you have enough privacy. Here we have 2 extra seatings also for people come home. As we walk, we have really fun eclectic light fixtures all around the room. We move to the left side, we have this royal blue sofa which complements the Stockholm IKEA and is inspired from the living there, because our couple is an NRI couple living in Stockholm and they are highly inspired by that kind of fashion. On the sofa we have this beautiful zinc concrete wall with golden putties which add to the neoclassical and contemporary look. We have also added these beautiful decor elements that are inspired through the European look and feels. Here we have a 6-seater customized dining table, orange chairs which contrast to the blue of the sofa. Behind over the dining table we have this white brick wall.
So she was the one who did all the research towards finding various interior designers, decorators. But what stood out about Hula Homes was pretty much their intent to support, their intent to help, and their intent to be coming up with creative ideas and thoughts. That is what really stood out for us.
Here we have this beautiful mirror wall that has been added to make the room look more glamorous and luxurious. We also have camouflaging doors through the master bedroom and an extra common washroom so that the room feels more bigger and spacious. The kitchen starter finish is done with acrylic, while on the base unit we have used high-tech Innotech tandem boxes. While the best part of the kitchen lies under the sink. What is it, you may ask? It's a water purifier, so that a customer gets an extra cabinet space right above the sink. As you enter this classy and luxurious master bedroom, I'm going to show you through it. What makes this master bedroom so special is the CNC Korean, which is right over the headboard. We also have paneling on both sides of the room. This room is to be chic, modern and even contemporary. We have these full height mirrors with Aristo lacquered glass. Onto this side of the room where a TV could be mounted, we have used this white striped wallpaper which balances the overall look of the room. As we walk into the parents' room, you can see this beautiful red wine headboard and wonderful eclectic. We also have a chair here and a folding table which opens up where you can sit and write some books or maybe your next big idea. Also, we have added this brown wall decor piece where they have creatively added a lot of frames and memorabilia to it. As we move towards the right, we have a PU finished cupboard which is painted especially to bring a little more toned down look.
We were always worried that whatever the interior designers promised, do they really use that kind of material? But the best part again was that all the materials which came, we received photographs and videos of what they were using, and of course they created a fantastic presentation which contained all the elements or all the aspects that they were supposed to use. Another important aspect is the material which they promised and they used. That is also something which, since we were not here, we will buy.
Room serves as a multi-purpose room for yoga, studying, puja, storage, or even when an extra guest comes in. This room's focused on the energies of the mornings, bright sun and leaves, adding to the freshness and calmness, is a space for yoga and fitness. There is also an invisible wall bed that is added for an extra guest who comes to crash. There is a cute little cozy workstation with rafters on the back with cane and mesh finished cupboards onto both of its sides. The puja unit is done in CNC cutting, which is great when we light diya, so there is enough air movement from outside to the inside.
I'm usually the one who doesn't give a lot of recommendations that easily, but I can say that for sure that Kola Homes has done a fantastic job in our apartment. I highly recommend them when it comes to their design process, the material selection, the options that they provide, especially when the customer is not in and around getting this done. I think this is something which I highly recommend to the customers who are outside India and would like to get a well-done project executed with proper thorough quality checks.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this home tour, and now we're at the end of it. Subscribe to our channel and comment down below. And if you wish to design your dream home, you can contact us at the number given right here. For now, please enjoy this view.